Hi and welcome to the Car Group's Top Tips. Today I'm going to be showing you this stunning Mercedes CLA 220D AMG line. As most of you know, this CLA is all about the design. It's your typical inner city favourite. It's most appealing when I'm showing up to business meetings, but it's also affordable to run, with road tax costing you only £20 a year. Now if you compare that to, let's say, a Range Rover Evoque, that'll set you back £240 a year. I mean, the CLA is your perfect all-rounder. Come on, let me show you around. So spring's coming, I hope. My holiday plans are looking great. I'm thinking a trip around the lakes in Cumbria. I'm just hoping all our luggage is going to fit into this boot. I mean, you know how as women we like to pack everything but the kitchen sink, right? Come on, let's check it out. So with a 460 litre boot, I mean, I should have no issues here. Just look at all that space. Like I said earlier, I'm hoping all my luggage is going to fit. Let's try it out. I think we'll be all right here. Look at that, still loads of space left. Job's a good one. So I can go to the lakes worry-free, and I've got loads of space left to bring some shopping home. So the CLA is the perfect all-rounder. Would you have chosen a different car? Let me know in the comment section below. And until next time.